Hello, everybody, and welcome to the unboxing and 2 week review with the AirPod Pros. Yes, I said review. I've actually been using these guys for about 2 weeks, and I wanted to give my impressions on them, comparing them to the second generation. You can see I've got these here. I bought these when they first came out, and then it's not too long after. I want to say like probably 3 or 4 months, these guys launched. So I gave my first gens to my dad. I'm gonna hold on to these for now, but I'll probably end up giving them to my mom as something she can have. But let's get right into the box of the pros. So opening it up, first thing you see is nothing. You see designed by Apple in California. Paperwork, no stickers, nothing else, just safety concerns. And then you can see the case has changed a little bit. It's about the same this way, but it actually opens that way. Now, these only come in one option because it is a new series and stuff like that of the AirPods. So this has the wireless charging on the back and the indicators here. The way you know that these don't is that the charging dot is not out here, it is inside. So they both have charging by lightning on the bottom, but this one has the extra option of dropping it on a wireless charging bed. So we open it up to be exposed to these awesome AirPod Pros. I love them. I'm using the medium size bud connectors. Um, it does come with small ones. So actually, before we go too deep, get this out. So, right, first thing you see as you open it up is this little grab thing. Those are your larges. Oh, wait. Nope, I'm doing this wrong. There should be two smalls, which I think are those, and two large, yep, which are right there. And then one thing they did change, comparable to the Series 2 and Series 1s, is that it's a Lightning to USB-C. So I'm guessing they assume that you have the Pro iPhone and a Pro charging thing or they're doing it that way because you may have an Apple computer that has USB-C on it. So that's a little that's interesting packaging because that means that you have to go out and buy a charging brick or you got to find a converter to charge it on your computer if you don't have USB-C. Interesting choice, Apple. And that's it. There's nothing else in there. Nothing lifts up. So we'll just kind of pop this stuff off to the side. And then we'll get right into here. And I'll pull these out for example of the difference. Because there is a pretty big difference. So as you pull them out, you can see these guys, the first gens, have long stems, right? They kind of look like electric toothbrushes. Here are the pros. So they've definitely shortened the stem by at least half. Another thing is there's no opening on the bottom. So on this, the microphone's right there, or one of them. Here, they've got them all around. The technology based around these things are crazy. So you've got removable, very easily removable proprietary earbud pieces. You've got there it is. It's got the touch, it's a force touch. So you tap, and there's no more, tap tap. It's pinch lightly to pause, pinch twice to skip, pinch 3 times to go backwards. The Hey Siri feature's there. But to turn on without having to go into your phone, noise cancellation and off and transparency, you pinch the whole thing and hold it. And you'll hear it and you'll notice what features it's going through. If not, you pull out an iPhone and I'm going to do it really quick. I don't actually know if it's connected, so let's do this. Oh, I guess it's not. There we go. Just bear with me a second. There we go. So in here, ooh, I gotta turn the brightness down. You'll see that the AirPod Pros are connected. You click and hold. Oops. And then you have all three features. You've got noise cancellation. Oops. It's not actually supposed to do that. Noise cancellation. It's because I'm using my other hand. I guarantee it. Oh, it's because they're not in my ear. Duh. So when they're in there, it'll flip over there. This is off, so it's just like normal AirPods. And then over to the right, it would be transparency. So you'd hear things around you while you're listening to the music. And then you can raise the volume like usual. So that's there. That's on your Apple Watch if you're listening to music. I think the best thing for me is I work in a very loud warehouse where a lot of stuff is going on all the time. So I can already have it preset to noise cancellation and not even be listening to music. And you will walk in and hear nothing. It's pretty awesome. And there's a little test thing where when they're in your ear and they have noise cancellation on, you can actually make sure that not the suction, but the inner ear thing is actually fully pushed into your ear so you get the best sound quality, and it'll tell you if you need to change the buds tips to fit your ear better. So I've tried the small and the medium, and the mediums fit. They also hold in my ear longer. If you get earwax quick, you're going to notice that you're going to need to kind of rub the ear tips against like a shirt to get rid of that oil so that it doesn't slip out of your ear. But overall, they stay in my ear pretty well. That's why I'm not getting rid of these, because if I'm going to do something active, I want to have that opportunity to see the differences, because I haven't really had to. But other than that, definitely worth the price. Retail on these guys with oh my gosh, with the wireless charging case is $200 from Apple. That's changed now that these have come out, I'm guessing. Maybe not. And then these are $250. So for $50 more, you're switching to a better design. You're switching to noise cancellation and transparency. They both do the listening feature with your iOS devices. So if you just put your phone on the table in a loud place, it'll isolate that person's voice and you can hear them. For people that want to like translate, it's not going to translate for you like the Pixel Buds, but it also allows you to listen and have some kind of accessibility. For people that have hard hearing, they can hold the phone up to their mouth like it's a microphone, and people will hear very loud and clear what's going on. So anywho, that's my review on them. I love them. I did not return them to Apple. I plan on keeping them through the holidays. So I'm excited about that. Just trying to decide what I'm going to do with these. If I'm going to keep them and give them to my mom later for like her birthday or something. I'd love to say, hey mom, here's your birthday gift, or here's your Christmas gift. But I'm just not sure right now. So anyways, thanks guys. I don't really think there's needing to be a follow up to this. I love them. I think that if you're willing to wait, Costco's gonna get them for like $230 in like February, give or take, my guess. But I just needed them because I use AirPods like every day. So, but definitely, if you can get your hands on them for the Christmas, go for it for the holiday time. If not, good luck finding them after the holiday season, because they will be around. All right, guys. Bye.